I'm in a 2003 Ford F-250, and today I'm going to show you how to add coolant. So first open the hood, and then this would be the main coolant reservoir you add to. Make sure your vehicle's turned off and cooled down. You don't want to work with the system while it's hot, just because this system works under pressure and that liquid can get to a boil. So you don't want a bunch of poisonous boiling liquid there to shoot out at you if you're unlucky enough. With that said, there's a max line and a minimum, and see, there's supposed to be some air gaps. You don't want to fill it all the way to the top. And double check your owner's manual or a good online source to make sure you're using the best type of coolant for your particular make and model. And also, typically you want to match the same color and type of coolant to what's already in here. Best not to mix and match if you can help it. But when you're ready, just unscrew this cap. Neither the funnel straight from your diluted coolant jug. Fill as needed to around this max mark, and then screw this back on nice and tight when you're done. At this point, I'd probably start the vehicle and run it for a few minutes, and then watch around the engine bay, through all the lines, around the reservoirs, around the radiator, and under the vehicle. See if you see any coolant start to puddle. If you do see liquid puddling, so wait until that, apart from say water condensation, it should have a slight coloration to it. It'll have a slight sweetness smell. And if you feel it, you don't really want it on your skin, but see, with a glove, it'll feel slightly slick compared to what water feels like. I hope that's helpful. Hope you have a good day.